everyone, I'm Lander. Welcome to Open Source Geeks. December 2020, Red Hat announced that CentOS will be officially stopping bringing out new distributions by the end of 2021. A lot of companies that are relying on this will be affected by this change, including some of the government offices. Open source is definitely helping the development of the world, but at the same time, because a lot of people are doing this for free, so it might stop having updates anytime. But also because it's free, any team or person can step out and bring out new stuff if they want. So when CentOS is gone, what will the replacement be? And let's check it out. I did a lot of research online and found these are the popular ones. I will start with the ones that's from another country. When I searched online, what is the replacement of CentOS? Rocky Linux is the first thing showed up. Rocky Linux is a new Linux distro that was born to fill the void of the passing of CentOS will open. It was also the first CentOS replacement to be announced following the news from Red Hat. Second, Oracle Linux. It has been around for a while. It's a review distro based on real sources, and not much else, just like CentOS was. Other ones from other countries are Alma Linux, Red Hat Enterprise Linux, VZ Linux. Well, what about Chinese ones? There are two of them that I know. OpenEuler and OpenAnalyst. OpenEuler was released on September 2019. I have been to one of their developer day before. They're quite mature and has a stable ecosystem already. Last but not least, OpenAnalyst. They founded August 2020, and they have lots of Chinese CPU companies, cloud server providers, and others has joined. They want to build a community like CentOS, because some of the other ones might not have the same kind of community like CentOS. Well, this picture kinda shows it. They just released their new distro. It's 100% compatible, supports mainstream CPU, hard drive, server hardwares. I will also put some of the download links in the comment area. If you have any idea, we can talk in there too. Okay, this is this episode of Open Source Geeks. If you like this video, hit like and share with your friends. If you want to know more about technology stuff, then follow us up here. So see you guys next time. Bye!